channel. Today is our first day in Santorini, which is very exciting. I am so excited because we are heading out and we're doing like an evening boat tour. So it starts at 2, I think we get picked up at 2:30, and then all evening we make different stops and we're gonna be swimming, and then excuse me. And then we're gonna be swimming, and we're also gonna have snacks and then dinner on the boat. So it's gonna be really amazing and really beautiful. And I'm just so excited. We are all ready now, and we're just about to go look for maybe some coffee or something to drink and just see, you know, look around a little bit because I'm just speechless with this view. I'll have to show you in a second, but yeah, I'm very, very excited. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I will have a lot more Greece vlogs. We're in Santorini a couple more days, and then that ends our trip in Greece. I just am very excited for what's ahead today and what's ahead the next couple days, so don't forget to follow along and turn on your post notifications. But without further ado, let's head out and see what we can get up to today. I also just wanted to show a little view. This is literally what's right in front of me, right outside our front door. I haven't really explored much yet, but I mean, come on. This is absolutely stunning. Okay, fun fact with where we're staying, it's actually very famous for the blue door, which I just filmed, for being in the Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants. So I didn't even realize, but living the dream. Alexis Bledel. Anyways, that's really cool, and everyone keeps taking pictures literally right where we're staying, so it's kind of funny. It's like we're famous or something. Strawberry mojito. It's so beautiful. It's very, very good too. Dad got a Coke, Brittany got an iced coffee, my mom got a mimosa, and Rachel is over there on our balcony. I'll flip the cam and show you. Let's do a little zoom. To everyone speaking English. There she is. I can put in some pictures of what we ate, but we literally ate it so fast I forgot to record. We had bruschetta here, and then we had a tuna tartare here, and you can see a little bit of Brittany's remnants, but I'll add some pictures. It was delicious, clearly. We are on our way right now to head to the sunset boat tour that we're doing. So just walking there now to the bus, I'm assuming, to get picked up, and views are beautiful, so it's no complaints here.
But due to the volcano that took place over here, it divided it into 5 islands, in which we have here the old Santorini, we have the Tiracia Island, we have Ronisi, which is the white island, we have the new volcano, and then the old volcano. The new volcano is still active, alright? Also, this occurred in 3600 BC. And the new volcano also occurred in 1956, which is still active, but it's under the water, so do not be scared, alright? Also to Old Santorini. Old Santorini, we have some cities like Oia, Merovili, Fira, Stefani, Megalohori, Kamari, Akrotiri, which is the oldest village on the island, and so on and so forth. As you can see, by then, those days, the name of the king was Fira, and his name is beautiful wife Oia. That is why Oia is so beautiful. And then Tiracia to the daughter. So this is an amazing connection between these islands.
This is Brittany, and if you're watching this, it's been a struggle, but we made it. And now we can all be happy because we're about to swim soon. Okay, bye. About to get off and swim here. Currently swimming in a caldera. That's volcanic rock right behind us. Pretty cool. I think so too. And the guys We are also going to do some snorkeling, so I'll see if my dad can get some footage on the GoPro of what we see down there. Now I was the first one that was served, which is amazing. So I'll just pan over and show you what is on the menu tonight. So, Greek salad, some tzatziki, we got some bread here, and then there's chicken, pasta, and I believe he said that was flounder. That is fish. I just can't remember what kind he said. And then dinner with a view, am I right? We just got out of the water and we were snorkeling a little bit and it was amazing. So I am just feeling very happy, very blessed, and what a beautiful way to spend my day in the last couple days of our trip. So thanks for following along. A little bit ago from our sunset boat tour, which was like a cruise, sunset cruise boat tour, and I just want to say it was so incredible. We went to a ton of different locations. We swam right in front of volcanic rocks, which was really beautiful, and then after that we went to another swimming location that was in front of like the red sand beach area, and we also just saw some views, which was really pretty. We saw a white sand beach, we saw black mountain rocks, which was really beautiful. I got footage of everything, so I'll definitely put that in the vlog, but it was so amazing. And then they fed us on the boat, which I also put into the vlog, and it was just, the food was amazing, everything was so good, and it was just a really great day. It was probably one of my favorite things that we've done this whole trip, so I'm just really happy, and it was a lot of fun. And the the people on the boat, the workers, they were absolutely incredible. The service was incredible. They always walked around and they were like, what do you want to drink? Do you need a refill? They were taking empty glasses and they were making sure like we got on okay and that we had like goggles and masks and snorkels and also like life vests, and they were just really great and really amazing. So I would highly recommend if you are in Santorini. But yeah, it was quite magnificent. But I think we're gonna grab a bite to eat before winding down, and then yeah, so we'll see, we'll go from there. And yeah, I'm just really looking forward to eating because I got a little bit of a headache and I got a little seasick towards the end when we were watching the sunset. So I think I need to get some food in my stomach, but let's go. Dinner is served. We got, it's a pasta that's like risotto with lamb in it.
I got the same thing.
Rachel got the same thing. Brittany got a lobster
Blue crab salad
crab salad
with oranges.
Dad got shrimp linguine, is that what it is?
Yes.
Some other name noodle.
Oh, okay.
Tagliatelle.
And Mom and I are sharing this, and we're really excited. It's gonna be really good. I'm here alone for a brief moment, so I thought I would do a little Airbnb tour. It's looking a little insane in here. We obviously 5 people are living in here, so just bear with me, ignore, imagine how beautiful it is without all the clothes and everything everywhere. So right here we have, so I'm right by the door, so right here is a couch slash bed. That's where Rachel's been sleeping. Here's the little like table dining area. Over here we have a bathtub, which no one's been using. And then right here is actually a door which you can go out, and there's a little balcony, window here, hot water, everything is right there. And then come over here, beautiful art display, some swimsuits and stuff. And here's a little kitchen. There's a little table with stools. There's some plates, and there's silverware and like coffee machine, some granola bars. There's a panini press. And then here's the sink, microwave, and there's a little fridge, garbage can, and which is really nice. They gave us a little something. They gave us some stuff in the fridge, like bread, sandwich meat, whatnot, some fruits, orange juice, and I think that's champagne, so that's really nice. And then we're gonna walk back over in this area here. This is the living area, and then here is my parents' bed where they are sleeping. It's really beautiful. They have a nice TV and a nice little sound stereo thingy, aux cord that Rachel's been using, which has been really nice. I'll come back around over here. This is in my opinion, the one flaws. This is the only bathroom. Sorry, let me figure out which light this is. Okay. So we walk in here, and then I think the light should turn on. There it is. Toilet here. There were some robes over here, which was really nice that we used. And then here's the shower head. It has the nice, you know, so no water comes out. That's really nice over there. And then here is the sink, mirror, and that light we cannot figure out how to turn on. And then there's a bunch of towels there, and there were also shoes down there, which was super nice that they gave us, like little like bath shoes. And then you come down here, which I don't think I'll come down here, is a little weird. But this is like a separate bedroom area that you walk down these little stairs, and it's really tiny. There's a bed down there, a little cabinet, and there's drawers on the side of this bed that had the ironing board in it. A little like seated area, and then I think that's a dehumidifier. Kind of weird. It's also kind of weird, whoops, because it's in the bathroom, like super strange, but I digress. And then we will go up these stairs here. And up here is where Brittany and I have been sleeping. This one bed right here. There's a mirror, which is super nice. Beautiful painting, another table. There's also another table over there, and then there are outlets all over, which has been super nice. And then these really cute lights turn on, and it's just a really pretty overview of, oh my gosh, if it could focus, overview of our place, which is really beautiful. It's such a cute area, and like I said before, they actually, I don't know if they filmed necessarily like right in this spot or if they just passed it, but they actually filmed like a scene or so of Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants over here. So it's really funny. We always have a ton of people coming and taking pictures of like right in front of our door, and then when we leave, there's always just people sitting up there. But yeah, that's the tour of our place, and it's really nice, but it's a little small for 5 people, but we still like it. Hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. In the comments down below, let me know what your favorite thing about this video was, or I don't know, your favorite place to travel, or if you've made it this far in the Athens, Zakynthos, Santorini vlogs, leave a fun emoji. But yeah, just let me know if you're making it this far into the vlogs and if you're enjoying them, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bells, because I will be doing a couple more of these Greece vlogs, and I'll have more travel vlogs where that came from. So yeah, thanks for following me along.